Welcome back to Renike Estate. Well, end of day 2, I guess, pretty much. Jim's just finishing up this side of the last 2 panels, and told you I'm going to make the thumbnail watching paint dry. So painting is not really eventful, so I had to do something else to see if we can bring some life into it. So what I want to do is first I want to show you guys actually the difference between the time lapses when you're running at 100%, 200%, 300%. So we'll mess around with that, show you a few cool things, see how fast we can go and how slow we can go, and then go from there. Look, we told you guys we're going to show you what we're doing. This is what we're doing. It's nothing exciting this week, but yeah, let's do this thing, let's get it done. Okay, to start with, we're going to do the normal 100%, is what you're looking at the moment, and then every 30 seconds interval we're going to show you guys a 200, a 400 and 800%, and afterwards I think we'll probably stick to the 400 just to speed it up. I mean, it takes actually really long. We're busy wiping off the palisades there with turpentine, and then after the wiping off of the turpentine, the cleaning it, which is also annoying and you get cut to pieces, we start painting. So the paint we're using is a DTM, direct to metal, and yeah, no primer needed as a primer and a top coat. So once you've done, you're done. Yeah, so back, enjoy.
Cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you. I cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me
Okay guys, like always, thank you for watching, and yeah, remember, like and subscribe, join us for the journey, see how this house turns out, and then yeah, but most of all, let's just have fun. Cheers guys.